In the equipment rental world, you need to always be ready to offer an efficient and complete solution for your customers. Generators, excavators, pumps, and heaters, they all need fuel. With a response-ready fuel solution, you can create additional revenue while saving your customers time and money. At Western Global, we've created the only fuel storage tank designed specifically with you in mind. The TransCube, the unsung hero of the rental market. The TransCube can be readily moved around job sites for more efficient refueling, and when paired with your equipment, typically extends run times from the usual 24 hours to several days. Even when filled with fuel, it's easily transportable, stackable, and lockable. It can service up to 3 pieces of equipment at the same time. And with all ancillary parts included, like easy-to-use feed and return hoses, it's ready to go from the minute it arrives on site. Let's take a look at how TransCubes can enhance your rental fleet. For the cost of one wheel loader, you could buy 26 TransCube fuel tanks. And with higher dollar utilization and time utilization, your returns will be much greater. In addition, the TransCube's minimal maintenance and high durability means revenue can continue to grow for years to come. The Western Global team is always ready to help with dedicated aftercare support, next-day dispatch, and flexible stock to suit your needs. With more approvals than anyone else, you can be sure that our products exceed the world's highest testing standards, giving you peace of mind at all times. With Western Global, every rental you make provides an opportunity.